Hey guys, this is Shashir from Elba again with another video here. So you would have sent some images or videos in WhatsApp, but you would have noticed that the quality of the image or the video would have been degraded while you have sent the file. This is due to WhatsApp compression algorithm. So in this video, let's see how to send images or videos without quality loss in WhatsApp. So let's get started. While you're sending your image or videos, just send it as a document in WhatsApp. Why you have to send it as a document? Because while you are sending as an image or video file, it will compress the file to reduce the file size. So when you send it as a document, it will understand it as a text file or something like that. So it will not compress anything and it will send the file as such. So there will be no quality loss in your image or video file. Not only image or video, you can also send audio files like this. That's it for now guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, just give it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to ElbaTec, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.